So what I want to do is quickly demo how to do a correlation in SPSS. It's a fairly simple thing. Remember that what you're looking for is you're looking to define a relationship between two variables and then tell me whether or not that relationship is significant or not. Tell me whether it's strong, weak, or medium, and then you tell me whether it's significant or not. So that's really what you're about here. To do this, you're just going to go to Analyze, Correlate, and then you want to go to Bivariate. And I'm just going to correlate median age with average family size. And I'll get the means and standard deviations. And I'm going to actually ask for the confidence interval and apply a bias adjustment and click Continue and then click OK. And what I get is the mean age, mean family size, and how big my n is. So I have an n of 29. As median age increases, average family size decreases, and so it's a negative correlation. So it goes the other. It goes. It's a downward slope in the correlation piece. So is it significant? Two things tell you that. One is significance here. The other is and correlation is about the only one of these tests that does this. It just says it's at the bottom. So you have a significant relationship, which is good. You also have the confidence interval, so you know that your actual correlation is 95% certain between this value and this value. So you have a sense about what that correlation really looks like. All right, so I'm going to adjust this just a little bit because although it's a bivariate correlation, you can do a number of bivariate correlations. And so I'm going to add a couple here. I'm going to go correlate again, bivariate, and it remembers these, but I'm going to add some. I'm going to add some percentages. So let's go with the percentage of people listening to public radio. What else should we add here? And go into Olive Garden. How do these correlate? It also remembers the options that you had, so those will all be the same. So we're going to click OK. What you get is you get a larger correlation matrix. This will come in handy when you're doing regressions. And so it's correlating median age with average family size, which we did earlier. But as age increases, it seems like there's a positive correlation. It's a weak correlation, still positive that you listen to public radio. And then it's also positive that you go to Olive Garden. So age indicates you're more likely to go to Olive Garden. So these are mirrors of each other. So if you take and draw a line right here, they're the same on each corner of these, but the table makes it easier to read. So that is how you run a correlation. Remember that you're looking for weak, moderate, or strong correlations, and you're looking to know whether or not the correlation is positive or negative, and you're also looking to know whether it's significant or not, whether it's real or not. So those are the things you're looking for.